Hello mga ka-viewers, hello viewers. So ito ngayon ang aking i-vlog ay ang coffee machine na DeLonghi. So this kind of coffee machine, so there is a coffee grinder here on the top. You can open here, you can use here a powder coffee. So one 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 tablespoon of coffee powder maximum. Then if you want to use the coffee grinder, just remove the cover, remove this cover, then you can add here coffee beans, this area here. Then you can see here, this is the uh, kinds of coffee you grind. The result is very powder. So here, so if you put the controller to one here, so that one is the result, the finished result of coffee beans is very powder. So powderized, very powder. So here is something little big like that here. Number 7 is big. So the result of powder is something not very powder. So that one. So there's a maximum level here. If you want to put the coffee, do not put too much. Much better only a little. Just only 3 spoon, maximum 3 spoon. So that the coffee grinder inside will not something create a problem. Then cover this one again, return the cover like that. Then here you so here there's a selection. After you put the coffee beans, then here is the water. This is the water compartment. So the water compartment, you can slide this one, pull slide, then you can refill here the water. This is the water tank. The capacity is 1 liter, 1.5 liters capacity. Then here, as you can see here, pull this one beside here. So this is the coffee grinder here inside. You can see here. So this one is 220 to 240 volts and 1450 watts. So this is made in Romania, Italy, and Romania. This is made in Romania. So sorry, this is the cover. If you refill the water here like this, so you can open this one here to refill the water. To refill the water, is remove this one, the cover, then refill the water inside. Then return here, slide like this. Okay. Then here, this is for the milk. This is the container for the milk. So also you can remove this one slowly, slide like this. You can clean here, and then here you can remove this one. The coffee residue, the sediment of coffee will, this is the container for the coffee garbage here. Then here is the milk. So you can make here a coffee, cappuccino, latte. So like this. I will explain you later the types of coffee can make this coffee machine. Then using about the coffee grinder, so to grind the coffee, press this one, the beans, this one, the coffee bean sign. Press this one, then brew. It will brew. Then you can put here your cup. You put here, then you can adjust this one. This is the nozzle. If you using a small cup, so just pull down If big, so you can adjust, adjustable. So the price for this is 3,799. So there are a lot of coffee machine models, but this kind of coffee machine with coffee grinder. So the kinds of coffee can make this coffee machine is like this. Those are the coffee can make that machine. So can make it espresso, it's coffee, that long, the few plus an americano. So those are the coffee can you make it. So that the price is about 3,710 for 507. What is it? 54507. Ah, this one. This is the box for the machine that I demonstrate. So the DeLonghi Cappuccino Smart. See? So I will show you. So you can make it here. This is the coffee, the finished result. If you make a coffee, the perfect density, the perfect creaminess, the perfect temperature until the last drop. So this one, this is the one. So I will show you that the another model and design of coffee machine. This one is no grinder. Ah, there is a grinder. This one here. This one 2,299 Saudi Riyal. That price is Saudi Riyal. DeLonghi. So there's a coffee machine with a coffee maker. There's a coffee maker. The ordinary coffee maker is built in, and this one is can make this one a cappuccino, hot milk, and cappuccino. Then this one also 699. Then this one a big one for business type, for commercial this one. So heavy duty. And the design of coffee machine. This one also. The price is 799. Electa. There's a Electa, but this is DeLonghi, a product from DeLonghi. Then we have also espresso. This brand is Nespresso. Nespresso coffee machine for household use. It's for home use. So this kind of coffee machine is you're using this one a capsule. So here you can put here the capsule, small capsule. So the capsule of this machine is this one, small. So there's a lot and variety of capsules, variety flavor of capsule. So that one, the color intended of the flavor. Then there's also a big capsule like this capsule. It's big. So that one is compatible of this kind of coffee machine. This one I cannot open because there is no current. This kind of model. This one also the another design. Here is you can see the for the capsule. There is also a small coffee machine. This one using also a capsule. And another kind is here. We have also Homix and this one. So this kind of capsule is you can use hair powder and capsule type like this. capsule and big capsule, the Dulce Gusto capsule. So you can use here all types of capsule. So either small or big, because there's another holder capsule. You can change only the holder capsule. So this one is a Philips. If you repair this one, this is at the price. So this is a Philips coffee machine. This is coffee machine with coffee grinder. Hmm. That is the design. And also this. So here another kind is the brand is Dolce Gusto. Nescafe Dolce Gusto. So this is the latest model, the new model released from Dolce Gusto. So here is the, you can open this one here by press up. Then this one is the capsule holder. See, this is the capsule hold. This is the capsule holder. This one. So this is a big capsule. So for this machine, only this is a kind of capsule you can use. The big kind of capsule. So that this machine, this is the capsule. There's a different types of capsule. You can use the Starbucks espresso capsule, and this one the Dolce Gusto. So every flavor of capsule there is a, like this one, Grande Instant Intenso. So there's a water label guide. So here you can observe this one. This is the line. So full that one, and the others like this. This one is sorry. This one is cappuccino. The cappuccino there is a two capsule inside. So 8 capsule for the milk and 8 capsule for the chocolate. So you can also hear the adjustment. So if you use a milk, first you use milk. For example, this is milk. This is milk. So the guide must be follow also in the machine. So for example, I will put this one. Then close. Going here clockwise. So this is the water label guide here. So you observe here. So last full. So you put here this line here up to here to adjust. If you reduce the water level, so counterclockwise. So that is the purpose of this, the label, water label, that one, so that you can get the result of perfect coffee, the cappuccino. Then the chocolate also only one label like this. So there are different flavor of coffee capsule. See? Mm. This one is another model of coffee machine. All of those are Dolce Gusto. So that's it. And also we have another kind like this. This is a Turkey coffee machine. This is a Turkey type coffee machine. See, you can put here the Turkish coffee. Just that's it. Very simple to operate. On, then adjust here. If you want big cup, so press the 2 cup sign. Sing only one cup. Press the 1 cup sign. This is the light indicator for if the water is empty. So there is a black, white, and combination of black and gold. So that's it. That's all of coffee machine we have available. So if you have comment, or you want to know the price and the features, comment down what kind of coffee machine you are looking for, so that I will give you the details about the machine you want to know. Okay, thank you all viewers, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Garman's Blogger. Thank you.